Yeah, no, ladies and gentlemen, that it is only when the under and upper thread tension is equal, that is when you have the joint point locked in the center of the thickness of the fabric for you to achieve a clean and defined stitch and for the best stitch performance. But in some cases you find out sometimes your stitch start to get loose on top of the fabric or sometimes underneath the fabric. Now if you encounter this issue one way or the other, just know that your tension is not set right. But some people do say that you have loose stitches. Now fixing a loose stitch refers to the process of being able to troubleshoot tension issues for the purpose of achieving a clean and defined and perfect stitch performance. You are but getting started now, this is the upper thread tension, and underneath this plate goes right there the bobbin, and the bobbin's got a tension spring leaf which can be used to control the tension of the bobbin thread. Now in a minute, let me quickly pull out the bobbin. I'm just going to go underneath. Right? Let me pull it out. Now this is the bobbin. Now this is the wound bobbin, and this is the bobbin holder. Now this is the tension spring leaf. Hold up. Now this is the tension spring leaf which you can use to control the tension of the bobbin. You are? Yeah, sorry for that. That was my camera playing me. As I was saying, this is the tension of. Let me make sure this is popping out of camera very well. Now with the screwdriver, you can actually regulate the tension of the under thread. Okay, now what you need to check first if your sewing machine is sewing with loose stitches. First of all, find out what part is the loose stitch is at. Okay, now is the loose stitch popping up on the top of the fabric or underneath the fabric? If it is underneath the fabric, that means you have to regulate the tension of the bobbin holder. But if the the loose stitch is on the top of the fabric, that means you have to check the tension of the upper thread. You are? Alright. So that being said, that is how you do that right there. So that is how you do that.